Hello, welcome. In this lecture, let us understand when to use WebDriver plugin for the JMeter. What are the scenarios? Let us discuss and understand. Some of the scenarios where you can use WebDriver plugin for a JMeter is measuring the page load time. You can open the page using the web browser and you can measure the page load time. And you can test the single page applications such as Gmail and understand how much time it is taking to load the inbox, and you can validate the user experience under certain conditions, such as whenever you are putting the load on the system, at the same time if you open the web page, what is the user experience. All these different kinds of scenarios you can test using the WebDriver plugin for the JMeter. Let us understand with an example. Imagine you have an e-commerce website. You can test how long the home page takes to render. You can test how long it takes to load the images of the products, and you can also test how JavaScript based pop-ups on the website behave under a load. These are some of the examples and scenarios where WebDriver plugin for the JMeter can be helpful. Let us understand when not to use WebDriver plugin for the JMeter. What are the scenarios? Whenever you are doing a load testing, let us say you are doing a load testing for 10,000 users, then you do not use the WebDriver plugin, because it is not practical to open a 10,000 browsers and do the load testing, right? We will use HTTP sampler for this kind of scenario. Again, API testing is also not possible using the WebDriver plugin for the JMeter. Similarly, mobile testing is also not possible using the WebDriver plugin for the JMeter. Basically, you do not use the WebDriver plugin for the JMeter whenever you want to simulate the load on the system. This WebDriver plugin is only used to test the client side performance and the behavior when the application is opened on the web browser. Now we have understood when to use the WebDriver plugin for the JMeter and when not to use. We will continue our discussion in the next lecture. Thank you for watching.